Hey everyone, imagine a world where sharing your code snippets is as easy as sending a text message and where security and performance are top notch. So today we are diving into latest in web development with Next.js, server actions, NextAuth v5 and all the new Auth.js. We will also use Tailwind and ShatCN UI. Stick around to see how we build a powerful, secure, and efficient code snippet sharing app from scratch. By the end of this series, you will learn how to set up authentication with NextAuth, use server actions, use Prisma ORM with Next.js, and lot more. Let's discuss the requirement. So, an app where anyone can share code snippets. They can either share it with the world or they can keep it private for themselves for future reference or share it with selected individuals. Users can upvote and downvote the snippet shared, and if they like, they can also copy the code from single click. So for this, in this series, what we will be using, we'll use Next.js 14, NextAuth v5, which is Auth.js. We'll use server actions to connect to our database and query our database. MongoDB as our database. Prisma ORM for handling the DB queries, social authentication for which we will be using GitHub for to be specific, and Monaco editor for handling our code editing. So let's start building.